Yes my people, nimeweka gari mafuta. Nimekuja Costco, si mtumie pesa. Mtumie pesa niende kufanya shopping. Full tank. Oh, sikuchukua receipt. Ningewaonyesha full tank. Gari yangu inakunyonga full tank like $64. Cause me fuel maybe every 2 weeks. At least nitaweka gari mafuta. So, na haikuwa empty as such, but I paid like $64. Yeah. So itanisukuma another 2 weeks ya kazi back to back. Kupeleka watoto shule and all that. So tuende Costco. Niko tempted to buy GoPro. I'm so tempted. Why is the GoPro so expensive? Like $300. $300? See, okay, subscribe. Mukinifikisha 200, akinaweza buy GoPro. Unaona kuko nimetaka kwa YouTube akiuso yangu. I'm suffering from acne. I've used all the products. Na hata ziishi, but it's okay. It's okay. I gotta do then next week. Niko na appointment ya kutengeneza nywele. I gotta fix my hair this year. I've given up on retying my hair by myself. Like nime give up. It's so much time consuming. Alafu wanga simalize. So by the time nimeenda halfway, ninafaa kukimbia wiki mzima. By the time nirudi side hii isha grow. That is why my hair looks like that. But uzuri ni majuu, nobody cares. Life has to go on. Unajua. So twende Costco ni buy maziwa and a few stuff. Nitawaonyesha GoPro $300. Ningekuwa na subscribers wengi. Alafu si ati niko na kitu ya kuambia, mnajua. Nataka kupost every day nione. Because niko na watu wangu. Akina Frank. I appreciate you guys. You watch my videos, you comment. Thank you very much. Thank you for the support. Ninajua tuna grow pole pole. Lakini tutafika hapo. Imagine nikikuwa celeb. Si nani anajua hii kombucha? It's a ginger lemonade. Saa zingine kama sina time ya kukula na kunywa hii and I'm good to go. Life is lifing. Mkono wangu inanuka nini? Mafuta ya gari. I can't even open it. Okay, maybe drink water. That one sign of telling you hydrates. Nikienda huko ni si ati sina $300, but inaniuma. Acha tuone kama I'll change my mind.
Fading in the haze, running through the quiet, trying not to fall. Every step reminded we don't know it all. Blow up a sign, let it go when the ground is shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feel it slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands collide, hearts exposed when the world is pulling us apart now. Through the noise. And the nights grow cold. Will we trace the same old feelings or let them fall? If the lights fade, if the road bends wrong, would Would you stay here in the silence till the fear is gone? Every second heavy, like it's hard to breathe. All these unanswered moments hanging on.